Hello class 9. Now we should start your exercise 2.4. Okay, your exercise 2.4. This exercise is based on the factor theorem. आपने जो factor theorem अभी पढ़ी थी उसके ऊपर based है. Let's see question number first. Determine whether the following कुछ polynomials दे रखे हैं have x plus 1 as their factor. कुछ पॉलिनोमियल्स दे रखे हैं, 3-4 क्वेश्चंस दे रखे हैं. उन चारों क्वेश्चंस में देखना है कि क्या x plus 1 जो है is the x plus 1 a factor of these polynomials or not. Let's take तो आपका जो थर्ड क्वेश्चन है इसका थर्ड पार्ट आई एम डूइंग दैट. So this is the question. We have to find whether this x plus 1 is a factor of this. तो मैं लिख दूं, let's write x plus 1 is gx. x plus 1 क्या है? gx है. ठीक है. What is factor theorem? Factor theorem क्या होती है कि अगर आपका रिमाइंडर if p a equals to 0, pa equals to 0, then x minus a is factor. This is the factor theorem. Factor theorem क्या होती है कि जो रिमाइंडर आएगा pa should be equals to 0 when divided by x minus a, which is the factor. अब आपको पी ए निकालना है, उसके लिए आपको ए की वैल्यू चाहिए. ए की वैल्यू कहां से आएगी? यहां से. पुट x plus 1 equals to 0 and transpose this plus 1 to that side, we get x equals to minus a. This minus 1 is the value of a. Put this value in px. कहाँ पे पुट करनी है? px में पुट कीजिए. p minus 1, we will write p minus 1 equals to minus of 1 raised to 4. Wherever there is x, we will put minus sign. Then 3 minus 1 cube, then 3 minus 1 square, then minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Sign is minus negative, but the power is even, so we get plus 1. 1 again the sign is negative plus, but the power is odd. Whenever there is odd, we get negative. So this will be 1 into 3 and minus sign here. Okay, so this will be minus of 3. Then minus 1, but power is square, even power, we get 3. Here it will be minus 1, plus into minus is minus, then plus 1. This minus 1 and this plus 1, this minus 3 and plus 3 will cancel out. This minus 1 and this plus 1 will cancel out. This will result in this only plus 1. यही बचेगा सिर्फ ये प्लस 1, और बाकी ये क्या हो जाएंगे? प्लस 0 प्लस 0. यहां से भी 0 आएगा, यहां से भी 0 आएगा, ये 2 0 आए हैं. मतलब आंसर क्या आ गया? p minus 1 equals to plus 1. दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. क्या है थ्योरम अपनी? 0 होगा तो ही फैक्टर होगा. दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, सो x plus 1 is not a factor of px. जो आपका ये पॉलिनोमियल है px, उसका फैक्टर x plus 1 नहीं हो सकता. Let's take the other part, that is fourth part, okay, of question number first. The px here is x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 into x. plus root 2. So this is the equation. We have to find whether x plus 1 is a factor of this particular polynomial or not. So what will we do? We need to find PA. We need to find PA, but for that we need to find A first. आपको A की वैल्यू चाहिए. A की वैल्यू कहाँ से आएगी? We will put this x plus 1 equals to 0 and we get A equals to x equals to minus 1. Put this one in this, we get minus of 1. P, value of polynomial P at minus 1 value. Put minus 1 wherever there is x. सभी जितनी भी x की पोजीशंस है वहां पे minus 1 लिख दिया. Now this is minus 1 and this is cube. Cube means odd number. We get minus 1. Odd number है तो minus का sign आएगा. Then minus this will be even number. Even number will get plus of 1. We will get plus of 1 and plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus of 1. Okay. Now from here, this minus sign, multiply this minus sign and this minus sign, we get plus of 2 plus root 2 and root 2. If you solve further, this will be minus of 2. Then next, again, this will be plus of 2 plus of root 2, open this bracket, and root 2. This root 2 and this plus and minus 2 will cancel out and become 0. But this will become 2 root 2. 1 and 2, 2 root 2, which is not equals to 0. So PA, P minus 1, which is PA is not equals to 0. Hence, what will you write? So, x plus 1 is not a factor. So, when this value of PA becomes 0, then only x plus 1 will be the factor. If this is not 0, then this will not be a factor of factor of Px. Write complete sentence. Okay. So hello class 9. We have completed the first question of your exercise 2.4. Let's take the question number 2. The question number 2 says you have to check whether this x plus 2, this x minus 3 and are factors of this and this. In this, first you have the polynomial that is px equals to this, and you have another polynomial gx, and you have to check whether this gx is a factor of px. For this, you will apply the factor theorem. What it says, if pa is 0, then this will be a factor of px. Find pa. To find pa, we need to find first the value of a. Equate this x plus 2 equals to 0. Put 0 here. Then value of x will be equals to minus of 2, and hence a will be equals to minus 2. So this is the value of a. Now put minus 2 here. Minus 2 in the polynomial. Okay. Value of x is minus 2. Minus 2 cube plus 3x square will be 3 minus 2 square plus 3x will be 3 into minus 2 and plus 1. The cube of 2 is a, and minus into minus will be plus, but again into minus will be negative. That means here the power is odd power. So odd power जब भी होती है तो नेगेटिव साइन आता है ना. Then -2 into -2 will be +4. 3 into 4. Plus into minus will be -3 into 2 plus 1. This will be equals to -8 plus 12. 3 4s are 12. -6 plus 1. If you solve this, you will get minus and -8 plus 6 and plus 12 plus 1. This will be 13. Adding these negative terms, ये दोनों नेगेटिव टर्म्स को ऐड कर लिया और दोनों पॉजिटिव टर्म्स को पीछे ऐड कर लिया. This is -14, okay, and this will give -1. So value of p minus 2 is -1, that is not equals to 0. Hence gx, what is gx? X plus 2. X plus 2 is not a factor. जो आपका gx है वो px का पॉलिनोमियल, जो ये पूरा पॉलिनोमियल है उसका फैक्टर नहीं हो सकता. क्यों नहीं हो सकता? बिकॉज दिस वैल्यू ऑफ p एट -2 इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0. p a की वैल्यू 0 नहीं है इसमें. लेट्स टेक अनदर क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इन दिस gx इज x minus 3 and px is x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. So we need the value of x. To find x we will equate it to 0. हम इस टर्म को क्या करेंगे? इक्वल्स टू 0 पुट कर देंगे. जब ये -3 उस तरफ जाता है तो क्या हो जाएगा? +3. So value of a, this is value of a equals to 3. Put this value of a here. P3, value of the polynomial when x or a is equals to 3. जब x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाए? 3 हो जाए. Put 3 cube minus 4 3 square plus 3 6. जहां जहां x है वहां वहां 3 पुट कर दिया. Then cube of 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are is 27. Then 4 into 3 3s are 9, sign is negative, plus 3 plus 6. This plus 3 and plus 6 will be plus 9. This will be 27. And this, what is this? 4 into 9 is 36. Add these positive terms. This is positive 27. This is also positive 9. 27 plus 9 is 36 minus 36, and 36 minus 36. This is equals to 0. So P3, value of polynomial when x equals to 3 is 0. This value is 0. So gx. What is gx? X minus 3 is a factor of px. Okay? So this x minus 3 is the factor of px. What is px? This polynomial. Okay?